the theme for today's coaching book recommendations is conversations. So, first book I ever read on conversations, it was actually the first Jim Knight book I ever read. If you know anything about coaching, Jim Knight is the guru. The book is called Better Conversations. So this book goes through and really talks about how to develop empathy, how to connect with people, how to foster conversation and dialogue back and forth, and why all of those things are really important, specifically as they pertain to coaching. So Better Conversations is a great book. It also is one that I think is just strong for relationships in general. So Better Conversations by Jim Knight is my first pick. This next one is Crucial Conversations by Patterson Grenny and some others. And I'll be talking about another book of theirs on another day. But Crucial Conversations is all about how to have difficult conversations, why we need to have difficult conversations, why we can't just let things go on forever without addressing some things. The biggest takeaway that I got from this book, like the thing that I keep in the back of my head all the time, is they say you shouldn't ask yourself when a crucial or important conversation or difficult conversation comes around, you should not ask yourself, what happens if I have this conversation? The question you ask yourself is, what happens if I don't have this conversation? So for me, that was a big deal because instead of worrying so much about, well, are you going to upset somebody if you say this, if you give this feedback, if you, that sort of thing. But instead, consider if you don't say something, what is going to happen because of that as a result. So two excellent books, both about conversations. It's Better Conversations and Crucial Conversations.